Oh, okay, we're live. I mean, not live. We're freaking we're recording. Anyways, what's good, guys? It's your girl healing deity. Yeah. Okay. This is not my first time playing 𝐸𝐸𝐞𝐬𝐬. I have played played it multiple times before. So like, oh, this is a movie, by the way. So, what do you mean something's coming? Anyway, so all I want to do is just record for a bit. So I'm eating right now. Anyway, so. It's been a long time since you found love. You're gonna show. Where'd mommy go? Mama? Oh. It's been a long time since you found love. Okay. Pimples. This is normal, guys. Having pimples is normal. So if you see anyone with pimples, just know that's normal, and don't think that they're weird because it's literally normal. It's a human being thing. So don't make fun of them for it. Yeah. I wish I added braces as teeth, bro. So I can use it. Because I'm obsessed with braces and I want to get some, but like those things that hold your mouth, I don't know if they're gonna hurt you or not. So like, I'm like, should I get them or not? I mean, yeah, my teeth are beautiful. I'm not lying. My teeth are. Oh, I've done a video recording my teeth, so go check that out. If this video even gets posted, though, it probably will. I don't know what to give her. It's been a long time since you found. You're coming out to show. Should I sing one? Of course, I should. Okay. Let's give her glasses because I made this one character and it looked like this. So then I thought, oh, she's really cute. I should delete the game and like make it like make another one. So then I will do a part 2 of the video I did of like, oh, we forgot her paint ticket. Yeah. I think I got. It is not 5 stories tall. Why are you over exaggerating? It's been a long time since you found. Come on, show. Okay, I'll record now. It's been a long time since you fell in love. You cannot show something. Just skim through it. Get out of here. Guys, stay to the side. Jesus. Stay over there. Ah. It looks cold. I'm getting chilled. Is there Alonso? What the frick are you doing? Oh my god, Alonso passed away something. Y'all better say rest in peace in the comments if I even get them. I'm like, yarr. I miss him. I really miss him. I wish I could see him.
Do you remember hearing that tumbling the other night before I left?
Yeah.
You were like,
That was pretty hitting his ass.
I was like, yeah. Fucking my shit, dude.
No swearing, I'm recording.
I
said no swearing, I'm recording.
Yeah, but I slid and then just boom. It was terrible. It was terrible. I got sat there for a minute.
You're so
I hit every stair basically.
My style was more like for skirts and stuff. I should make my outfits right now. I need to be quiet. That's what I need to do. I need to be quiet. I'm annoying. I'm so like, yarr. I mean, hey, at least it still works. It's fun to you. It's been like to you. No. I'm gonna close my eyes and then I'm gonna open it. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's more. There's more. There's more. Have more. Skibbity, skibbity. Skibbity, skibbity. Skibbity, where's there on the top? Okay, I need to stop. Skibbity, 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 skib. Down to put a chair. Oh, by the way, yes, you guys can make this room. As I like to give people like ideas for like their rooms and stuff, but I rarely post any like 𝐩𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐬 videos. Like I made my first one, but I don't know. Oh, I already have that. This probably might not get posted because of the music. I mean, there's no swearing in this. So, it's just talking about this guy expressing his feelings. I don't know. Oh, I know. Go to here. Then, she's obsessed with plants. So, get out of the better here. out of here, please. Thanks. Meow. Should I have this one? Nah. No. That's just me in my mouth. So don't think I'm sharding myself, please. That's also a little disgusting. Cute. Okay. If y'all want to watch the thing that I'm watching right now, it's the originals. So, yeah. Oh God, Jesus Lord. Like I said, she's obsessed with plants. Don't make fun of me for having too much plants. As actually me and my family are obsessed with plants too. My cat used to eat literally every single plant we had. Or she used to. I think she still does. I think she eats my dad's freaking oh my God. I think she always ate plants like half of the time. Get up there. Dang baby. Oh. Excuse my language. I don't know where to put it. Let's put it right here. Can you put it on the wall? Oh. I guess we'll just put it right here. I'm not paying attention to the timer. I have nothing to talk about. What grade are y'all in? That's just what I want to say. We'll talk about grades now. I know your grades. Well, just pretend I know y'all's grades. I don't know y'all's grades. So like, if I just started first grade, just like on Thursday. I just started school Thursday. Could I This is like for her extra stuff and stuff. Everything is stuff. And then she won't have a baby sister. Get out of here. Get out of here. Where are the chairs at? Oh. Oh, there we go. Yeah, but I know I do. I think it's just gonna randomly disappear. Where'd it go? There it is. Ready? Oh. I'm making a video right now. Do you want to say hi to them?
Hello, people on the phone.
That was my mom. That was my mom. I just said that times. That's my mommy. I still hear her count. So, you're welcome. I'm the owner of this account now. She still owns it. But like the owner of like making videos on there. If y'all know what I mean, you know what I mean. Making a baby room. Can I tell them the news? My mom's pregnant.
Lulu's gonna be a big sister.
Ah. I'm a big cousin also. Like, whenever one of my family members, I guess, Misty, when she comes over, she has 3 kids. One is a girl, 2 are the boys. One is in first, one is in second, and then one of them is she's a newborn. She's gonna go in, I don't know how old she is, but I'm pretty sure she's gonna go into kindergarten or something. Unless she's like younger. But yeah, I'm an older cousin, and I'm gonna be a older sister. Oh, should I check what that is? Yeah, okay.
I've encountered no shortage of those who such terms mean nothing. People do what is in their best interest, regardless of who gets hurt. Is it evil to take what one wants?
Okay.
To satisfy hunger, even if doing so.
And time doesn't really matter because I put in my number for the live stream. So, nothing, making a 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 video.
A 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸?
𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸? It's a game. Oh. Oh, they're like actual curtains. Hi, guys. No, wait. Over here is gonna be the bathroom. A big ass bathroom, bro. I'm gonna try to pull an all-nighter, but I have to go to bed at like 4. If I'm gonna pull an all-nighter, because I have to go to school at like 8 in the morning. Probably not the best idea, but I do have snacks. I have gummy bears and apple slices. I have a bathroom with ants in there. It's disgusting. I wanna move. We're moving soon. Yas, queen, slay, queen. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna pause the vid. I'll be back.